Tonight, your phone could still have signal, the lights could still be on, and the sun could already be aiming something at Earth that turns modern life off like a switch. Not a meteor, not a war, a solar superstorm, the kind that hit in 1859 and made telegraph stations spark and burn. But today, it wouldn't just make pretty auroras, it could knock out GPS, satellites, and power grids, and you wouldn't see it coming until it's too late. Here's how it starts. Scientists spot an eruption on the sun, an intense flare, then a giant cloud of charged particles blasts outward, a coronal mass ejection. You might see headlines like "Strong Solar Storm Possible," and you scroll past it, because it sounds like space weather, and space feels far away. But the problem is, your life is tied to space. Your maps, your banks, your deliveries, your weather apps, your emergency systems, everything relies on timing signals, satellites, and electricity. Then the first signs hit quietly. GPS starts drifting. Navigation gets weird. Airline routing and radio systems switch to backups. Some satellites go into safe mode. Engineers race to protect transformers and spacecraft. But you won't notice any of that. What you will notice is the world getting glitchy. Your internet feels off. Your phone calls drop. Your map pins jump. And across the sky, auroras appear in places that almost never see them. Now comes the dangerous part. The storm induces electric currents in long power lines. Transformers overheat. Protection systems trip. Whole regions can go dark, not for minutes, potentially for days or weeks in worst cases. And when power goes, modern life starts failing in a chain. ATMs don't work. Fuel pumps stop. Elevators freeze. Some water systems lose pressure. Stores can't restock fast enough. It's not apocalypse. It's cascading logistics. And that's what breaks people. But here's the twist nobody expects. The most fragile part isn't your phone, it's orbit. During strong storms, Earth's upper atmosphere can puff up, increasing drag on satellites. And simulations/tabletop exercises warn a Carrington-level superstorm could trigger widespread satellite failures, navigation malfunctions, radiation damage, and even a chain reaction of orbital chaos. That means even after the power comes back, parts of the space layer of civilization might not. So the storm doesn't just turn things off. It can remove pieces of the system we assume will always exist. Imagine waking up and realizing GPS is unreliable. Some satellite internet is degraded. Certain services are slower, patchier, less precise. Not forever, everywhere, but enough to change how the modern world moves. And here's the creepiest part. You might not even hear about the full scale while it's happening, because during a real crisis, information becomes messy. Rumors spread faster than facts. People panic buy. And the first true shortage isn't food, it's certainty. When people don't know what's next, they fill the gap with fear. The good news? We can predict and prepare better than ever. NASA has even explored AI approaches that may improve solar storm warning time. But your takeaway is simple. The sun doesn't need to explode to change your life. One extreme storm can remind us we're living on a thin layer of technology, under a star with moods. If you want more scary science, what-if stories that feel like movies but are grounded in real possibilities, this is Ask Why. Subscribe and tell me in the comments. Would you rather lose power for a week or lose GPS for a month?